I'll show you 3 ways of knotting 2 lines together. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to tie the blood knot. Begin by placing the 2 lines parallel to each other. Hold the intersection point and wrap one line around the other 5 or 6 times. Pass the excess line end through the gap created by the intersecting lines. Repeat the wrapping and threading process with the other line, ensuring the tag end passes through the gap in the opposite direction of the first wrap. Moisten the lines with water or saliva. Gently pull on both main lines and the tag ends to tighten the knot gradually. Once the knot is secure, carefully trim the excess line ends. Your blood knot is now complete and ready for your next fishing adventure. How to tie a double uni knot. First, stretch the 2 lines parallel to each other. Make a loop at the end of the line coming from the left. Wrap the end of your line around the other line and through the ring 4 or 5 times. Pull your line to create a knot line. Make a loop with the end of the line coming from the right. Wrap it around the line and through the loop 4 or 5 times in the same way. Create a knot line by pulling your fishing line. Now complete the knot by pulling through the main line bodies. Cut off the excess line ends. If you wish, you can soften the ends of the fishing line by burning them with a lighter. Double uni knot is ready. How to knot 2 fishing lines together the easiest way. First, join the ends of the 2 fishing lines and tie a simple knot. Then leave this knot in the center and twist the 2 fishing lines diagonally to form a loop. At the intersections of the fishing lines, make loops as shown in the video. The number of these loops should be between 5 or 10 depending on the thickness of your fishing line. Pass the knot you made at the beginning through the last loop. At this stage, first moisten the knot, then hold the 2 main lines and tighten the knot. When you cut the excess line, your knot is ready. Tying 2 different lines together is that easy. Thanks for watching. Follow Fin Fishing TV channel for more.
Fin Fishing TV.